Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Temu application. So let me open up my Temu and then log into your Temu account. So I'm just logged in into mine. So once you're done here, logged in, so what are you going to do? You will be able to receive a free gift once you invite friends to your Temu app through your invite. So what you're going to do is you're going to select a gift first. So to do that, what you're going to do, you're going to click on this U tab here, and then once you click on the U tab here, you'll see an option called earn credits and free gifts. So click on it. All right, and then click on the free gifts, click on get now. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're gonna all right, you'll get to this screen here, all right, where you have to choose any free gift here. So and then you have to invite your friends. So just choose any free gift here. So for example, let me choose something. Okay, I'll choose this one here. All right, I'll choose this. Okay, so once I choose this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the color or whatever preferences that you have. Okay, then click on confirm the gift. So once you confirm the gift, then you go to add your address or choose your address that you have already provided, and then hit on confirm it. Just confirm the address issued. So address, and then once you're done with that, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to there is an option to pick an extra gift. You can do that if you want to. So I'll just skip that because I'm just going to go to the inviting bit. All right, I'll leave that. Okay, all right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to invite my friends here. So all right, and then you will get to this screen here where now you'll be able to invite friends. So what I'm going to do now here is I'm going to invite. So you're going to get the invite link. So let me close this. All right, you're going to tap in this invite a friend option. All right, so now what you're going to do, your link has been your invite link has been generated. So you can either copy that link, so you can click on the copy link option and then share it to whoever you want in through any mediums, like in social media or text message or any way you can share it to them. And then that's how, and once they accept your invite and join Temu, then you'll be able to claim your gift. So that's how it works. So I hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.